What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, we are talking about Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin. It's been a minute since I made a Dogecoin video. If you guys are not a subscriber to my channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. So starting off here with Dogecoin on the left chart and Bitcoin on the right, this is actually Bitcoin in 2015. So when I first got into Bitcoin, Bitcoin was worth about $180, between $180 and $250. Bitcoin was ranging at those prices. And then it went up to $20,000 per coin after that. And that was a huge bull market, a lot of fun to ride. And it was a lot of profit made in that bull market. Now you can see here on Bitcoin on the right, there's an A, B, C correction. And before we have that ABC correction, we have what's called a first sell-off pattern where the market kind of dumps, and then you get a parabolic run where it pumps really, really hard, and then an ABC correction. Now, if we look at Dogecoin today, you guys can also see an A, B, C correction, and it's ranging between about 6 cents and 14 cents. So just like how Bitcoin was ranging between $180 and $300, Dogecoin is ranging between 6 cents and 18 cents. Also, we have our first sell-off pattern right here. You can see the market pumps up a little, then it dumps. Then we get our huge pump, right, all the way up to here, our parabolic run. And like I said, the ABC correction that comes afterwards. So what I believe is coming on Doge is a huge bull market, just like Bitcoin back when I first got into it. So the way these markets work is these patterns repeat. This is why you can find the same human emotion over and over again, and why you can continually find more opportunities in the market to make money. Just like how in stocks, a professional stock investor can find setup after setup after setup, in the crypto markets, you can also find setup after setup after setup. But you have to know what you're looking for. You have to know what you're doing. And that's where the human emotion comes in, the cycles and the market cycles combined with the human emotion. So learning how to identify when people are really scared, when there's a lot of fear in the market, is probably the very first thing you should do to become a profitable investor. We use this chart a lot in the videos to share with you guys what the human emotion looks like. But you can see down here in the depression phase where the price has dropped really hard is actually the point of maximum opportunity. So when everybody's really scared, prices are really low, there's a lot of bad news coming out, a lot of people wanting to sell, that's actually when the opportunity is highest. And that's 100% true with Dogecoin right now. Like I said, it's worth 8 cents. It was worth almost $1 in 2021. So it's very, very undervalued. People have a tendency to get too excited and too scared. Right now, they're definitely too scared. So I believe we will go into a bull market here with Dogecoin. And I believe it will be a big one, just like how Bitcoin running up to 20,000 per coin was a really big bull market for Bitcoin. Dogecoin is set up in the exact same way. Now, I know you guys are saying, well, it's a meme coin and this and that and this. You guys, human emotion moves markets, volume moves markets. Dogecoin is one of the highest volume traded coins. And yes, I know that it's named after a meme, but you have to understand that Dogecoin was the top mover in the last cycle, and it was named after a meme. So a lot of things move, even if they're named after silly things, you know. Pets.com was one of the biggest runners in the internet stocks back in the early 90s. And Dogecoin can be a huge runner in this cycle. I really believe it will be. So with that being said, you guys, I definitely think that Dogecoin is coming into a bull market sooner rather than later. And a lot of people will be really shocked to find out that 8 cents is definitely undervalued once this starts to take off, once it's back up to 40, once it's back up to 70, and back up Pretty much over $1 is where I expect prices to go, and even beyond that level. So definitely big things coming with the Dogecoin market. Don't give up on this now. So yeah, you guys, today's video is super short, super sweet. Just wanted to give you a quick update on Dogecoin. Hope you guys found some value in it. Hold on to those coins and you will be glad that you did. Apply for the mastermind in the description below so you can tune into these sessions every Saturday, live webinars to start learning how to invest in the crypto markets, how to make money, and how to really transform your life with cryptocurrency. Like I said, with stocks, you can find opportunity after opportunity. The same is true with crypto. The only difference is the opportunity is way higher, you make way more money, and you make it a lot faster. So thank you guys for tuning in. I love and appreciate you. Share this video with your friends. And as always, stay profitable out there.